Hey everyone, today we're building NutriScan, a smart meal analysis app. We're keeping things super simple. What we're going to do is add login and sign up with Supabase. That way, people can create an account, log in, and then get secure access to the app without any hassle. Let's jump in and start building. But before we start building, let's see how it actually works. Here's exactly how it's going to work. First, you open the NutriScan page. Then you either sign up or log in with Supabase, and once you're in, boom, you instantly have access to the dashboard. I know it might sound a little fancy, but trust me, it's way easier than it looks. And the best part about this whole thing is that we're going to get it all up and running in under 5 minutes. Now let's actually start building it step by step. See? Pretty simple. Now let's actually start building it step by step. To follow along, open the Google Docs file linked in the description. It contains all the links, prompts, and templates you'll need. Step 1. Copy the prompt from the document and paste. The moment you do, it will automatically generate your NutriScan landing page. You can see that the prompt is super simple. I actually created this prompt by asking ChatGPT to make a prompt for me using the details of the app I wanted to build. After that, you can just send the message. Now, we'll start building the app. It only takes about a minute or two to create the first version of our app. It already looks really good, and the cool part is that when you click publish, you can copy the link, open the website in any browser, and even share it with friends, family, or investors. If you're not happy with the first version of your website, no worries. Just take a screenshot of it, drag and drop it into the chat, and give it this simple prompt. Roast this web design and tell me how to fix it. Alright, so now what I want to do is add login, log out, create a new account, and all of these features, and this is what we call authentication. To handle authentication, I'll be using Supabase. Supabase is what we call a backend as a service, which basically means it gives you a whole set of services all ready to use, things like a database, authentication, and storage. And honestly, there are many more features you can build with Supabase. Personally, I really like this platform. It's by far my favorite backend service ever. And the cool thing is, they recently raised an extra $200 million in funding, which shows they're growing fast and really pushing to expand and improve their services. Alright, so to do this, the very first thing we need to do is come in here and click on Dashboard. From here, I have access to all my projects, and I'll go ahead and create a brand new one so we can run this project from scratch. In this case, I'll name the project Meal AI, and I'll just put in a random password. It doesn't really matter what it is. Then I create the new project and confirm it. By the way, the first two projects are completely free, and if you want to try this tool out yourself, you'll find the link down in the description. While the project is setting up, you'll get your public key, and you should never share that with anyone. I'm going to copy it along with the project URL. Same thing here, copy the link but don't share it, because if you do, then other people could access your project and it won't be secure. I'll just let the setup finish. Once it's done, I'll see that the project status turns green, which means it's ready to go. Perfect. Now that we've got that part done, we can go back and start setting up authentication. The idea is that when someone clicks the Get Started button on the website or the landing page, they should see a login and sign up flow. And only registered users should be able to access the dashboard. Within a few seconds, Rocket understood the request and prompted me to connect to Supabase. I'll click Connect, authorize API access, choose the organization I want to link, and then hit Authorize. Next, I'll need to select my project. Once that's done, the project is automatically linked, and Rocket begins integrating our app with Supabase. This will add user authentication, meaning people can register and log in to the app. It also ensures that all user goals and related data are securely stored in Supabase. If you ever want to manage your integrations, simply click the Settings button at the top, then go to the Integrations section. There, you'll see a complete list of all the services and tools currently connected to your project. Alright, let's see if this is actually working. Okay, check this out. Since I don't have an account yet, I'm going to create one right now. I click Sign Up. And remember, you'll need to check your email to confirm the account. That's an important step. Now, one thing I didn't mention before. When you set up your project for authentication, if you look inside your project, you'll see the authentication section. Here's a little trick that really helps. Go to Sign In, Sign Up, and disable the email verification option. Why? Because when you're testing new features, getting a confirmation email every single time gets messy. I turned it off to make testing smoother. Usually you do this for every project until you go live. Alright, now I'll go back and give it a try. I click Sign Up, create any username and password I want, and there we go. It works perfectly. Then I go to Sign In, Log In, and boom, everything works flawlessly. Simple and clean. Alright, and that's it. We've now built NutriScan with authentication powered by Supabase. We went from a simple landing page all the way to a working app, where users can sign up, log in, and securely access the dashboard. Pretty cool, right? And the best part is, we did it all step by step in just a few minutes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss future tutorials. I'll be making more videos on how to extend this app with extra features like advanced AI analysis. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.